Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, we are likely to see a boost in tourist visit numbers from China in October. But first, American consumer spending grew briskly in August, and the Fed's favoured measure of inflation, the PCE, crept up. Signs of strength in Americans' domestic economy that could lead them to tighten interest rates despite weaknesses abroad. That weakness abroad includes softening profitability of major Chinese manufacturers. They're still quite profitable, but are facing costs that keep rising and product prices that keep falling. And the decline was at its sharpest rate in 4 years, down 8.8% on the same month a year ago. But the drops were concentrated in only 10 of 41 sectors surveyed. The rest showed improvements. Coming up next week is China's Golden Week holidays, and despite their lower currency and some local economic questions, reports are showing that locals are still spending freely, and bookings for international holidays are at record levels. Expect a flood of Chinese tourists here over the next 2 weeks. In Switzerland, their competition regulator has opened an investigation into possible collusion in the precious metals market by several major banks, the latest in a string of manipulation probes. Targeted banks include HSBC, Barclays and Morgan Stanley, and 3 others. In Europe, other manufacturers are owning up to installing diesel cheat software. Now Audi and Skoda add another 3.3 million cars to VW's 11 million. Silence or denial from these brands in New Zealand is just not acceptable. In New York, US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark has started the week lower, down at 2.13%. However, the US benchmark oil price is unchanged at $45 a barrel and Brent is at $48 a barrel. But the gold price is lower too, at $1,133 an ounce. However, the New Zealand dollar starts today holding most of yesterday's gains. New Zealand dollar is now at 63.5 US cents, 90.6 Aussie cents, 56.4 euro cents. The TWI is at 68.2. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.